What's up, guys? This video is going to be on the retaining wall that we're building out front here. We're going to cut this bank down and build a retaining wall from the edge of that concrete, come out this way, and then basically dive off into the curb. So it'll end up making the driveway about 2.5 to 3 feet wider, but also it's going to get rid of this drastic slope. So the face of our retaining wall will line up with the face of that concrete porch there. All right, so we just finished getting our trench dug out. You can see here we had to do 2 step downs. I dug a little bit deeper up top so we could so we were able to eliminate the amount of step downs needed. There's about 2 foot of drop coming from up top to the street. The blocks are 6 inches, so technically we probably could have done 4 step downs, but like I said, the less step downs the better. It just makes it easier. It's kind of a pain in the butt to drop the wall. So we ended up digging a little bit deeper up top where the compactor is. So there'll be a little bit more block buried where Warren's standing. There'll end up being like 2 blocks buried right there. By the time it gets to this step down, there'll be about 1 block buried, and then it'll drop and it's about 2 blocks buried here, then ends at 1, and it follows that all the way out. We're running this compactor back and forth through the whole trench to compact that sub base real good. And now we're putting down geotextile stabilization fabric. This is a woven fabric, and it'll help prevent any type of settlement from happening. You can see the guys are getting a modified spread out. We're putting it in about 2 lifts. It totals about 8 inches, so we're doing like 4 the first time. And then we'll hit it with the compactor and then put like another 4 inches down. You'll see here, this is the first compaction. Afterwards, the guys will check it with the laser level to figure out how much more exactly, they need to add. Like I said, should be about 4 and 4. After the second lift is compacted, we'll probably have to touch up some spots here and there, just add a couple shovelfuls to get the base pretty level. Then it'll be ready to start putting retaining wall blocks down.
You guys got them insulated gloves on? I ain't got that. Yeah. I wish I had fucking that kind of gloves.
Listen, bro, I got these for Christmas last year.
I got mine for you.
So we got the wall pretty much built the way it's going to be. We got our step downs about every 6 foot besides this end one. And we have our drainage pipe in. We got the modified behind the wall, all compacted. It has a nice pitch all the way down. And as you can see, we're just going to have this drain pipe here at the end. I'll throw some clean stone in there. These usually don't see too much water, so I'm not really worried about any washout or anything like that. This is basically if water does get behind the wall and it's more than it'll drain naturally through the face, it'll hit the pipe and discharge out that way. And I'm getting ready to run out and go get some clean stone. We'll backfill this and then throw some caps on.
Right there. Okay, all right, good, Alex. Good. What's up with these? These big ones, they're not dump it all. Thank you.
Only thing I have left to do to wrap things up today is make some cuts. On Friday we were having issues with Corey's saw. He got a still. It was having problems starting. You see we already marked most of our blocks here. And my saw, the Husqvarna that I've had for some time, took a crap not that long ago. So I ended up going out and just getting another one. My Husqvarna, I would be honest, it was my fault. I neglected to change the air filter. We were cutting some concrete inside of a building and you know, it was super dusty, and I think some dust got past the filter and ended up scoring the cylinder wall, because I did a compression test on it and it barely had any compression. So you can see here I got myself an early Christmas present, we'll call it, and went and picked up a new saw. Let me get this out of the box and start it up here. Blade that I have here has plenty of life left, so I'm just reusing the same one. how's it going?
You okay?
Yeah, we're good. So I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of the sidewalk after I got the forms pulled. Came out pretty well, or pretty good I should say. The only thing is we had a cat walk across right there. I mean, there's not much you can do about that. We hung out until it was basically dark here, and we covered it with plastic. And then where that cat walked across, he created a real slight drag mark right there. But again, I mean, there's not really much you can do about that. Everything else came out great. You know, edges are nice and straight, lines are good. I just dumped a little bit of fill dirt over here. The GC will use that to backfill on that side. I scraped that from up top here. They're gonna have a little mulch bed. We'll probably throw down some fabric for them. I think we're gonna put some plastic edging, but then that's about it for that. We're not doing anything, you know, too extravagant up here. Give you guys a shot of the wall. We haven't had great weather, so it's been tough to work and record at the same time. It was in, like, I don't know, high 20s, low 30s, but we had some crazy wind, which just makes it terrible to work in. And I didn't get a ton of footage of it all, but you guys see the process here. If you watched the video because you wanted to learn how to build a retaining wall, I'll leave a link in the description and a card up top for you guys to click on. It's a video I did a while back, but it's a true how-to video. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.